Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a plan with me for you guys. Actually, today is the 15th of August and I'm filming two plans with me to catch up on all of my spreads, and I'm a little bit behind. So today I will be filming a spread with this beautiful kit from Planet Beautiful. So this was a winter Fairytale kit. I believe she still has this in her shop, just check her out. And this is a mini kind of version of the kit. So you have all of your full boxes on this spread, as well as some glitter quarter boxes, a weekend banner, and some icons or deco here on the top. That's page 1. Page 2, you have your functionals with labels, scalloped quarter boxes, half boxes, and quarter boxes as well with the round corners. You have your checklists. Here you have all of the little icons, some flags, your habit trackers, your headers, and some washi strips or glitter headers. And here you have the beautiful girl, which is a double full box kind of situation, and you have different skin colors, so you can see that it's pretty much almost a double box. So it would be a double full box, so it would be, I don't know, a full box and a half. Anyway, I think this spread is going to look beautiful. I do not have a washi strip with this one, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for my sidebar. I may actually change my sidebar this time and use one of these girls, so I don't know which one to use, but she is absolutely a dream of outfit and I love the outfit. I wish I looked this good in winter, but I look like a hot mess, but that's okay. Winter is almost over here in Australia. Today is a very warm day, thankfully, and I don't have any jumpers or anything, which is, you know, a telltale. And that's what we're gonna do. I will be pulling from my sticker book. I'll be pulling from my beautiful and messy sampler album, as well as from my stash. So I've changed my stash a little bit just as a background story. I have 3 of these pouches from Van Sticky, and I decided to go over my collection and put everything that I possibly will need in here, in these 3 containers. So I have 2 foiled ones and one with my used or the sticker sheets that I want to use for my spreads. So you will see a lot of these guys recurring on my spreads because it's a system that works for me. I just want to use my stash and I want to use it in an orderly fashion, so to speak. So I have my own organization style, and if I'm repeating a sticker, I don't care. It's just how my brain works and how it satisfies me. So that's this one. So these, I have all of the icons that I want to use. Some are foiled, as you can see. They're shops that no longer are open, but they have some color, even though they have foil. So I just want to use those first. And once a sheet is done, I just throw the backing away and I replace it with a new sheet from my stash, whatever it is in the album that I might be using on that round of stickers. Then I have my script and some icons here, all of them foiled. I have a miscellaneous icons in all 3 foils, and this one is the chunky one. These are my overlays, these are my flags, and my page, you know, those little page weird white spaces that you have in your planner. I fill those with some of these icons, so things like this from Rose Color Days. I don't know, accents, that's the word I'm looking for. Anyway, that's my current system. I'm gonna see how it goes. I hope that will bring a little bit more of peace or peace of mind, so to speak. So that's what I'm going for. So if you see me pulling things all over the place, it's a lot. So they have to be all here with me, and I'm gonna try to make this video as organic as possible, but I don't know how that's gonna play. So welcome to a new mess. Let's get this started. So what I'm doing is putting down my washi after I white out my sidebar, and the washi is from Simply Watercolor Co, as I mentioned before. I had to put down 2 of the same pattern, which are the roses, because I miscalculated the sizings, but that's okay. And then I put down the little bow one with the flowers. After that, I put down all of my my date dots. The date dots are from by Sharina Jane. She's an Australian shop on Etsy. And I also put down all of my full boxes. So I went with the girl, or half of the face of the girl, for Monday, because it's working Monday. And then I just sprinkled, you know, different ones on different days. I always put the double boxes if a kit has a double box on the weekend, and that's why I started from the weekend backwards on the spread. I also used the little glitter headers on each of the full boxes to make it pop a little bit more, and I think it looks really, really pretty. I love the colors of this kit. They are just absolutely beautiful. So I did all of my work icons this time around with a little flag from the kit and different icons, laptop icons. So the laptop icons I use are from both Planning Like a Pro and Tassel Planner. Tassel Planner is a shop that is no longer open, so just so you know, if you see something like that that has color and foil, that's from where it is. On Monday, I marked down my Coffee Monday with a little flag from the kit, a little quarter box or label from the kit, and the little coffee icon, as well as the script Coffee Monday from Simply Watercolor Co as well. Then I pretty much marked down all of my work days first, because that just works better on my head. That's how it is. So like I mentioned, flags and laptops as I went along. The Monday I cleaned my litter tray, so I used a beautiful script that I made for myself, and I love the font. It's no fancy font. If you have a silhouette, it's the Arsena font or something like that, and I just made them myself. I marked down clean my litter trays on the Monday. I also used a PaperBlushBar little fork and knife icon to mark down that I wanted to make a slow cooked dinner, and I was cooking pretty much whole day, or the slow cooker was. And at that day I also wanted to mark down on my Instagram stories. I just wanted to share my cloth and paper order that arrived, I think, 2 days before that, and I just wanted to share with you guys. There was an awkward space on the Monday, so I put down a 5mm matching washi from this set from Simply Watercolor Co. On my Tuesday, I marked down my work again. I'm planning on doing some scripts for myself with all of the things that I tend to use more often on my spreads, because that would definitely make it easier for me instead of writing it down. So like things like work from home, Coffee Monday, or payday, you know, I'm slowly doing the silhouette thing, okay? Don't judge me. So on the Tuesday I had work from home. That's why I'm writing, because I don't have a script for it yet. Work from home. I went on a post office run, and I marked it down with a little happy mail icon. I also messaged the buyers. I tend to message the buyers every time I go to the post office regardless, with a picture of the envelopes, and I marked that with a Fox and Pip little laptop from a freebie. And my cat just absolutely almost destroyed my camera on that. She was trying to reach for my pen, so that's why you see it's gonna be a little bit weird, the footage. I also cleaned my porch, and finally I used a half box from the kit to mark down that I was finally offered the job that I'm currently doing. It's been a process, it's been crazy. Wednesday, worked from home. It was payday, so I marked it down with a little credit card icon because that's what I had in hand. I used a quarter box to mark down that I wanted to upload my haul, and the little parcel sticker is from the Coffee Monsterz Co. I also watered my plants, and I used an icon, a flower icon from the kit, but they did not have the cut lines. I'll explain that at the end of the videos, but I wasn't happy about that. Water my plants, the script is my creation again, and it was also bin night. The icon from the bin night, that to mark bin night, that I'm using is from Arctic Paper Studio. She's a wonderful shop from Australia, and she has the most beautiful foiled little things ever. Sorry, that one is by Sharina J. On the Thursday, I used a half box to mark down that I tested for COVID. So I did go to make the test because I was sniffly, my husband was sniffly, and we just wanted to be safe and not spread anything if we were positive. But thankfully we are not positive. The results came back negative, but it was not a good test. That is a dreadful test. I also paid my credit card. I used a script from the kit, and I received Happy Mail that day. And to kill the awkward space, I used the 5mm washi that came on this set of washi from Simply Watercolor Co. Friday was Friday, so good. I worked from home. I used a half box to mark down that it was the Helen's birthday sale, so the Coffee Monsterz Co sale, and of course a little emoji to mark down that it was her sale. And I marked on Friday because it was at my 2 a.m. or something like that. And again, I also cleaned my litter trays on that day, so I marked it down. I'm very boring, people. I just mark litter tray cleaning. I'm boring, but hey, it's me. At least I'm authentic. Saturday it was cleaning day. I marked it down with a script from Marshmallow Studio, and I did myself a checklist of the things that I wanted to clean. At the bottom part, I used a big camera to mark down all of the things that I wanted to film, you know, social media wise, of my spread. So I filmed a haul, I filmed a plan with me, and I uploaded a plan with me. On the Sunday I did some laundry. I changed my sheets. The little girl that I'm using to mark down change sheets is from Planet Beautiful, and that day my in-laws arrived back from their vacation to, just as you know, going through to their house. They just stopped here because it's a long drive, so they stayed for 2 days, and I marked it with a little house deco that came with the kit. Again, there were no cut lines, and I'm still mad about it. I did some grocery shopping with them that day, and then I did some planning. Before they arrived, I did some planning, so I pre-planned for my following week, and that time to plan icon that you're gonna see is artwork that I purchased from Etsy and printed for myself in icon fashion. It's not my best paper that I used for that one, but it was the paper I had in hand, and it works for now. But I'm going to reprint that and recut it in a better paper that I got lately. And that is my plan with me for today. So I hope you enjoyed this. And that's it, everyone, for today. I just want to share what is left from the kits. So I still have 3 full boxes or extended boxes with 3 different girls. I have some half boxes, some quarter boxes, some labels, pretty much all of the checklists, all of the icons, the 2 washi strips, 1 little flag, all of the headers, and some of the deco and the weekend banner. I have to say that the deco was not cut, so that was a little bit annoying. So you can see my poor fussy cutting with my X-Acto knife, and that was not very fun. So yeah, that's something that I didn't notice when I first got the kit. But I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love that I used so many different kits and they just brought this pop of color into the spread. I also used some of my own scripts that I print and cut myself, which was really good. I really need to do more of those, but it's just I just didn't have the time. But I'm definitely gonna put down things that I usually do use every week, and I'm gonna make some scripts for myself, which I'm really pleased with how the font looks. I'm really pleased how clean it is, and moving forward I'm probably gonna be using more scripts that I print for myself for my own needs, rather than writing down things. Although I don't like my handwriting, but sometimes that's the only option. But if I can, you know, write scripts down like work from home or payday or bin night, things like that, or post office run that I actually use and I write on my planner very often. So I'm probably going to be doing that. But other than that, I really love the spread. I'm sorry for the noise, my cat is playing with something. I really like how the spread turned out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous and I'm really happy with it. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and all shops will be tagged in the description of this video. And if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and give me some feedback as well. I will be back next week with another plan with me, and on Wednesday I have a haul coming for you, and I hope you enjoy and are able to watch that as well. If you have any questions, again, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and love your lottles. Bye!